Absolute Veritas Certification Services. In India's evolving regulatory environment, product certification and compliance aren't optional, they're your license to operate, compete, and grow. From electronics to energy, wireless technology to sustainability, every product must comply with specific national or international standards before entering the Indian or global market. Global market access. Absolute Veritas supports certification compliance across global markets including India, the United States, Europe, Canada, Japan, Australia, the Middle East, and more. We assist with region-specific certifications such as India, BISCRS, ISI Mark, Schemex, WPC ETA, EPR, CDSCO, PESO, TEC, LMPC, FSSAI. United States, FCC, UL. Europe, CE marking, RoHS, REACH, WAE, ATEX, PED. Canada, ISED, CSA. Japan, PSC, MIC. Australia and New Zealand, RCM. United Kingdom, UKCA, Kite Mark. Middle East, SASO, Sabre, ECAS, GMark, ESMA, and many more. With Absolute Veritas, your product meets the right standards for every market, ensuring smooth, compliant entry into global supply chains. At Absolute Veritas, we don't just support product certification, we simplify it. We guide you through every Indian and global compliance requirement, standard, and process, so you can focus on innovation while we manage compliance. BISCRS and BISISI certification. BISCRS certification for electronics and IT products under compulsory registration scheme. BISISI Mark certification under mandatory Indian standards ensuring quality, safety, and consumer trust. FMCS Foreign Manufacturer Certification Scheme. If you're a global manufacturer, we help you access the Indian market with BIS FMCS certification without requiring a local manufacturing facility. Schemex certification, OTR 2024, applicable to machinery and electrical equipment. Schemex under the Omnibus Technical Regulation, OTR 2024 allows for license for continuous production. Certificate of conformity for batch production. We handle documentation, product testing, factory inspections, and compliance verification end-to-end. WPC ETA approval. Planning to launch a wireless device in India? We offer complete support for WPC ETA certification for RF-enabled products like Wi-Fi modules, Bluetooth devices, RFID readers, drones, and more. Ensuring your devices comply with India's wireless and frequency regulations. EPR authorization. We assist in extended producer responsibility compliance for e-waste, plastic waste, battery waste, tires, and used oil. Stay aligned with India's environmental compliance mandates and circular economy goals. LMPC certification. Importing prepackaged commodities into India? We help obtain LMPC importer registration under legal metrology rules, mandatory for retail and distribution compliance. CDSCO registration. We facilitate CDSCO approval for medical devices, cosmetics, in vitro diagnostic kits. Ensuring product safety, traceability, and market authorization in India. PESO certification. For companies dealing with compressed gases, pressure vessels, or explosive substances, we offer PESO certification ensuring safe storage, handling, and operational compliance. B certification. We support B registration with the Bureau of Energy Efficiency, essential for energy labeling and promoting sustainable and energy efficient products in India. TEC certification. For telecom and network equipment, we provide TEC certification under the MTCTE framework, ensuring conformity to Indian telecom standards and enabling legal market access. FSSAI license. Venturing into the food or nutraceutical sector. We help you secure an FSSAI license for compliance with food safety and hygiene norms essential for manufacturing, marketing, and selling. FCC certification. Exporting to the United States? We provide support for FCC certification to ensure your electronic or RF devices comply with Federal Communications Commission standards, a must for legal sale in the US. CE certification. Want to access the European market? We help you achieve CE certification, demonstrating that your product meets European health, safety, and environmental protection standards, ensuring free movement within the European Economic Area. And that's not all. We offer a wide range of certification and compliance services tailored to your industry and product category. From documentation and testing to liaison and approval, we manage it all. To know more about our certification services, visit www.absoluteveritas.com.